Today we're here with Camera Girl,
And we're gonna
and I'm eating corn.
And we're gonna pop it.
I'm gonna
See
pop
what's
it.
inside.
Go.
What's inside? What a wacky situation.
Well, I said wacky.
Uh-oh.
Buddy boy.
What the heck?
What is that? Let me touch it.
Hold on. Let me.
Open it.
What is that?
Open the whole thing.
I am.
Holy cow.
Oh my god. What? It's not, is it watery?
No, look, touch it.
Oh my god.
It's squishy, but we're gonna open that
I'm gonna
ball.
keep that.
No, we're gonna open the ball.
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep the ball.
Guys, you don't get it. We're gonna open this.
Oh my god.
We're gonna open this and see what's
Wait, hold
inside.
on, let me. Why you guys are gonna squish it? Why are you doing that?
Cause.
Can you hold this?
Okay.
Okay, give me the ball.
No, I'm gonna pop it.
I know, I just want to squeal it.
Squeeze it, not squeal it.
Oh my god. What the heck? It's like,
It's soft.
it's so soft. Mmm. There.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
There's nothing inside of it. How much of it?
What the heck? Oh my god.
Come on, it's like egg.
Hold on.
It's like a boiled egg in there. Oh, what the heck?
Whoa, dude.
I didn't cut it. What the heck?
It's like smooth.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Let me see. Can you touch it?
Wait, hold this.
Cow.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, boy.
Hold it good. What the heck? Wait, give it to me.
Just move.
Oh, it's eating my finger. It's so weird.
Hold on.
All right, goodbye. See you.